Well, Boxing Day 2024, Thursday. It's kind of a nice afternoon, and as is my tradition, I go for a little road trip. And I'm just heading out north of Bonaccord, north of Halfmoon Lake. I got to take that little country road near the Redwater Natural Area there. Yeah, I like this trail. This is the old Victoria trail that used to go up to Athabasca. There's a lot of stuff's been done to it in the past decade. A lot of clearing and stuff, which sucks. A lot of gravel type yards are happening here now, and I'm not quite sure everything that's going down. But there are just snowmobile trails throughout here. There's some provincial protected areas here, more or less. It's always a pleasure going down here. It's just weird seeing the change, but damn, nothing stays the same. It sucks sometimes. And this is pretty new, the campground, a few years old. And they cleared out a bunch there. And here is where I turn east. And I'm gonna hit a few miles eastbound. This is a real nice winding drive. I've always enjoyed this. Well, beautiful road, and this is where I went droning. I parked myself here, went way upward, facing south there, and that was I think that was last fall. Was it 2 autumns ago? Goodness gracious, I can't remember. It really is beautiful out here. This is a little special part of the area north of Edmonton. Yeah, and I've been surprised by some of the traffic on this road today, but it is Boxing Day. People are visiting, coming back from the city, yada yada. It's a beautiful day out here. About -6, -7 out in the countryside here. And it's pretty well a short jaunt just to get away like this. Peaceful, very peaceful.